What's the meaning of coffee machine? Coffee machine. Coffee machine.
Coffee machine. Coffee machine. A coffee machine is an appliance designed to make coffee quickly and efficiently. It typically consists of a container for coffee grounds, a water reservoir, and a heating element or pump. The machine heats the water, which is then forced through the grounds and into a carafe or mug. Some machines also have features such as built-in grinders, milk frothers, and programmable settings. With a coffee machine, users can enjoy hot, fresh coffee at home or in the office without the need for manual brewing methods.